How to fix Canva not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Canva not downloading on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Canva and click on it, and then click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click permissions, and here click storage, click allow, and now just go back and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now go to Play Store, and here make sure Canva is updated, and then just restart your phone and try again. And I hope your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.